Let's learn how to wear IHRAM. For the boys, take one cloth and wrap it around your lower body. Adjust the cloth so that it is as close as possible to your body, but not too tight so you can still move around. When you're comfortable, roll the top side down until it is nice and secure around your waist. There we go! Next, with the other cloth, raise your right hand and leave that part uncovered. Use the rest of the cloth to cover the rest of your upper body, keeping your left shoulder covered just like that. In real life, you can't use pins or wear sewn clothes, but at Genius Hajj, you can use a pin to secure the cloth and wear an undershirt to make you comfortable. For girls, let's wear our tulukong. See you at Genius Hajj!